To track your money with USAA, start by visiting USAA.com and logging in with your credentials. From there, navigate to My Account Tools and select the Track Your Money option, which can be found at the top right of the window. This will take you to a page that displays your income and expenses, with each transaction categorized for easy tracking. You can also organize these transactions to suit your needs. If you want to check your credit card balance, you can do so by calling USAA support at 1-800-532-8722. When you speak with a representative, provide the necessary personal information to verify your identity, and they will then inform you of your current credit card balance. With these simple steps, you can easily track your money and stay on top of your finances with USAA.